Hey guys, this is Derek from ModernCastle.com. Today I'll be taking a look at 4 of Dyson's most popular models. We'll be looking at the Dyson V6, V7, V8, and V10 models, doing a 4-way comparison. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. First, let's take a look at the design. All 4 vacuums have a similar design. The handle includes the motor, cyclones, dustbin, battery, and trigger. All 4 vacuums have a wand, which you can use as a stick vacuum or as an extension for handheld use. All 4 vacuums include a motorized brush roll cleaning head. All of the V-Series vacuums have a similar size. The V6 is slightly shorter at 47.5 inches, while the V7 and V8 stand at 49 inches, and the V10 is the largest at 49.2 inches tall. All 4 vacuums have a 9.8-inch wide cleaning head. With regards to weight, the V6 is the lightest at 5.1 pounds, the V7 comes in towards the middle at 5.45 pounds. Lastly, Dyson's V8 and V10 are similar and also the heaviest at 5.75 and 5.85 pounds respectively. All Dyson V-Series vacuums come with a wide variety of accessories. However, it is important to note that the specific model that you purchase will determine the exact set of accessories that come with your vacuum. All 4 versions of the V-Series vacuum include a multi-surface cleaning head. The Dyson V10 includes the most advanced version, Dyson's torque drive cleaning head. The Dyson V6, 7, and 8 all include Dyson's direct drive cleaning head. And lastly, some versions of the V6, which are a little bit less expensive, include Dyson's more basic version of their multi-surface cleaning head. There are several different submodels within each V-Series vacuum. However, the 3 most popular submodels include the Absolute, Animal, and Motorhead. The Absolute version of the V6, 7, 8, and 10 include the most accessories, and most notably includes both the multi-surface cleaning head and the fluffy soft roller cleaning head for hard surfaces. The Animal version of all 4 vacuums includes the same accessories as the Absolute. The only thing you miss out on is the soft roller head. Motorhead versions of each vacuum include the fewest accessories and also don't include a HEPA filter. The limited accessories helps to keep costs lower for these vacuums. All Modern Castle vacuum reviews are tested on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. For each test, we measure the percentage of debris cleaned. For our hardwood floor test, the V10 performed flawlessly, removing 100% of the debris. The V6, 7, and 8 performed reasonably well also. The only common issue between these was difficulty in removing cereal. However, it should be noted that these issues were more a result of the direct drive cleaning head. The direct drive cleaning head is great for multi-surface, but not ideal for large debris on hard surfaces. When we retested these vacuums with the fluffy cleaning head, the debris removal was nearly flawless. Our tests on low and high pile carpet were no match for the V7, 8, and 10 vacuums, all 3 of which performed nearly flawlessly. The V6 performed fairly good as well, scoring a 94% on low pile carpet and a 92% on high pile carpet. The only area where it struggled a little bit was removing cereal from those carpets. One of the biggest pros with the V-Series vacuums is simply how versatile they are. All 4 vacuums can be configured as a stick vacuum or a handheld. A variety of attachments can be used directly on the handheld or on the end of the extension wand for extra reach. Overall usability is excellent and virtually the same on all 4 vacuums. To set up, you just snap the pieces together. The V6 uses Dyson's older style dustbin release, which can leave some debris trapped within. The V7 and the V8 uses a newer dustbin release system, which is designed to force more dust and dirt out. Lastly, the V10 uses Dyson's newest point and shoot style dustbin release system, which allows for more hygienic debris removal. All of these vacuums are effectively the same when it comes to maneuverability. All are lightweight, all can turn at 90 degrees, all can lay nearly flat, and all include a variety of accessories and attachments that allow additional reach and maneuverability where you need it. Maintenance is fairly straightforward on all of the V-Series vacuums. The V6, 7, and 8 all include a central filter, which is a lifetime and washable filter. It should be noted that the V10 does not have that central filter. All of these vacuums also include a lifetime washable HEPA filter on the back. Again, it should be noted that motorhead version of each of these vacuums, as well as some other less popular and less expensive versions of each of these vacuums, will not include that HEPA filter as well. To maintain the filters, you'll want to wash them in cold water about once per month. Make sure you allow the filter around 24 hours to completely air dry. Battery power on the V-Series vacuums is quite good. All of the respective batteries take around 3.5 hours to charge. Runtime improves on each unit. The V6 is the shortest with a 20-minute runtime, V7 steps it up to 30 minutes, the V8 has a 40-minute runtime, and the V10 is the longest with a 60-minute runtime. Annual maintenance costs on all 4 of the V-Series vacuums are fairly low. Since the filters are lifetime washable, the only cost involved will be if you lose or damage your filters or you need to replace the battery. All of the Dyson V-Series vacuums are fairly average when it comes to noise. The V7 is the quietest at 70 decibels, the V8 falls in the middle at 73 decibels, and both the V10 and the V6 are the loudest at 75 and 76 decibels respectively. So, which of these vacuums is the best? The V6, 7, 8, or 10? At the end of the day, all 4 of these vacuums are great choices. To decide which is best will depend on what factors are the most important to you. Here are the biggest differences. First, in terms of pure suction, the V10 wins with 140 air watts on max mode. The V8 is in second place at 115 air watts, with the V6 and V7 coming in at 100 air watts. Second, in terms of runtime, the V10 wins again at 60 minutes. The V8 is second at 40 minutes, with the V7 at 30 minutes and the V6 at 20. Third, dustbin size. Again, V10 wins at 0.77 liter. The V8 is second at 0.54 liter, and the V7 and 6 are tied at 0.4 liter. Next, in terms of weight, the V6 wins at 5.1 pounds. The V7 takes second place at 5.45 pounds, and the V8 and V10 come in at 5.75 and 5.8 pounds respectively. In terms of noise, the V7 is the quietest at 70 decibels, but all the others are fairly close, landing between 70 to 76 decibels on minimum power. For cleaning, the V10 performed the best across all our tests. However, the V7 and V8 weren't very far behind. As you step up in the Dyson V-Series vacuum line, you can expect to spend $100 to $200 more. The V6 is the cheapest, usually ranging around $250. The V7 and the V8 are usually in the $300 to $500 range, and the V10 is the most expensive, ranging $500 to $700 depending on the submodel. Everyone is different and has different needs, but for my money, here's how I break it down. If you just want the best performance, go with the V10. It is objectively the best machine, delivering the highest suction, longest battery, and best cleaning performance. If you want the best value, get the V6. It packs a lot of power for the price point. If you want a bit of a hybrid, go with the V7 or the V8. Both are still great machines, a little bit off of the V10 in terms of performance, but there is considerable cost savings there as well. Lastly, as far as the submodel versions go, if you have both carpets and hard surfaces, get the Absolute. If you have carpets with pets but no hard surfaces, get the Animal. If you don't have hard surfaces and don't have allergies, you can get the Motorhead and save yourself a few bucks. Well guys, that is it for this review. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please drop us a note down below. We're always available to help. If you didn't like this video, give us a thumbs down, but if you thought it was cool, we'd love your thumbs up. If you are interested in buying any of the products we've featured in today's video, check out our links in the description down below. If you want to see more from us, definitely get subscribed, check out some of our other videos, or visit us over at moderncastle.com. We've got lots of cool guides, tutorials, videos, and a whole lot more. As always, thank you so much for watching.